Artificial intelligence. For some of you, those words are exciting, and for others, terrifying. Regardless of how you feel about it, the reality is we're entering the next industrial revolution. AI is changing everything. It's already impacting every industry and every company. Employees are using AI tools to get things done faster. Or maybe you've integrated AI into your products. Either way, AI is here to stay. It's time to think about governance of AI in your organization, and Tablecloth is here to help. We're hosting an essential webinar for companies and investors to govern AI in a smart and responsible way. We'll walk you through what to consider when establishing an AI policy, discuss real-world examples, and get your team speaking the same language. We also offer a range of solutions to empower your organization, from a comprehensive toolkit for independent implementation, to guided workshops that help you assess risk and tailor a winning strategy, to annual audits that ensure ongoing compliance and responsible AI use. We'll help you to unlock the full potential of AI with confidence and control. Join us to ensure you're prepared to manage AI risks and to identify opportunities for your organization. I look forward to seeing you there.